Hello, today I'll be showing you a proof for one of the most famous theorems in geometry, the Pythagoras Theorem, which is related to right angle triangles. There are hundreds of proofs for this, and I will be showing you one particular today. Now I'll explain you what the theorem states. The theorem states that there is a right angle triangle and there are sides A, B and C, and there is a 90-degree angle. Now the theorem states that a square plus b square will equal c square, where these are the sides. Now let me just quickly show you the proof. So this is what the proof's idea looks like. It is a square inside a square, and there are sides labeled a, b and c. The sides of the inner square are c, and the sides of the bigger square are divided into A and B, where the side of the square is A plus B, where A being the smaller side and B being the bigger side. Now let me show you how this proof works. The proof works by taking out the area of this big square in two different ways. The most obvious one right now is the square formula, that is side square. So the side here is a plus b, so our area will be a plus b square. And now that is our area, capital A. Now what is the second area? Second way to find the area. That will be to take our inner square, the smaller square, so that will be c square, plus these four triangles. So the area of a triangle is 1 by 2 times base times height, and our base and height are A and B. So our area would be 1 by 2 times AB. And there are four triangles. So we have 4 times 1 by 2 times A times B. So we have C square plus 2AB. And this is also the area. So what we can do is say that a plus b whole square is equal to c square plus 2ab. Now we expand our left hand side, getting a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to c square plus 2ab. And now we see that our 2ab and 2ab from the LHS and RHS cancel out, giving us our Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square is equal to c square, which is in our triangle here, where c is the length of the square and b and a are here. Hope you enjoyed that, and stay tuned for more.